Telltale signs your Jaguar XF fuel pump relay is failing in Green Bay. Fuel pump relay is the electronic component found on all cars with an internal combustion engine. Moreover, it is a vital component for the combustion engine to function. When the ignition is turned on, it will supply consistent voltage to the fuel pump. Problems with the fuel pump relay will result in the fuel pump malfunction. The following points define the signs of failing fuel pump relay in Jaguar XF. Loss of power. If the car suddenly loses power while driving, then check the fuel pump relay. When you notice this problem, an inspection and repair are highly recommended. Engine does not start. A common sign of a faulty fuel pump relay is an engine that just refuses to start. In this case, the engine may still crank when the key is turned in your Jaguar. No noise from the fuel pump. Due to a bad fuel pump relay, no noise comes from the fuel pump when you turn on the ignition. If the fuel pump relay fails, the fuel pump will receive no power from the relay. Engine stalls. When the engine is running, the fuel pump relay suddenly cuts off power to the fuel pump and stalls the engine. If your engine stalls and refuses to restart, you're having a failed fuel pump relay. Conclusion. Cleaning the fuel pump relay is a simple maintenance job you should learn. Always recommended to inspect the fuel pump relay of your Jaguar XF and fix it ASAP.